Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter. This is second chapter in our textbook. The name of this chapter is Introduction to SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. So before starting this chapter, let us understand what do we mean by Search Engine Optimization. Let us consider an example where a person A wants to search some information on global warming on the website, on the internet. Okay, so that person is going to go to one of the search engines. Let us say he is using Google as the search engine. After visiting the Google page, that person is going to type global warming. After clicking on the search button, Google is going to return n number of pages having information on global warming or information which is related to global warming. Okay, so the person is going to check the first few links and it is going to get the required information. Okay, because Google is not giving any random information. Google is giving information which is based on our search. Google has various algorithms to return exact search what we are trying for. Okay, so after getting the results in the first 1 or 2, 3 pages, the person happily closes and done. Okay, so this is the general scenario, and there are various pages which are present on the 10th, 12th and somewhere on those pages also. So these websites are not selected by anybody. Nobody is going and checking these websites. Nobody is going and visiting these websites. Okay, so here search engine comes into play. Search engine optimization comes into play. The developer of that website is going to use some techniques and tools to optimize their websites. After using these techniques and tools, their websites are going to be listed in the first search pages of the search engine. Okay, so the developer basically has to make their websites easily understandable for the search engine, and also they must make their websites so that it has a higher ranking in the search engines. Okay, so I think you have understood the meaning of search engine optimization. In simple words, if we will say, search engine optimization is going to help the websites to rank in the search results. Okay, so it is going to allow these websites to come in the first few links so that more and more people are going to access it and they will have more network traffic. So let's see now. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. This is the full form of SEO. This full form can be asked for MCQs, can be asked for fill in the blanks, or it can be asked for match the following. SEO is a technique used for designing and developing a website to rank high in search engine results. Okay, so SEO has some technique in a way so that the developer can make their websites rank in higher in order. It is a subset of search engine marketing. So there is another field which is search engine marketing. This SEO is a subset of that field. Thus, SEO is useful in increasing the number of visitors to the website. Now, if the website is going to be displayed in the first few links, then more and more people are going to visit that website. So it is going to increase the network traffic of that website. Different strategies and techniques are adopted to optimize the web page. Now, for optimizing the page, that is to increase the ranking, there are different strategies and techniques which are present. Okay, these strategies and techniques, they are present under SEO. So this is about your SEO, search engine optimization. Let us have a look at different types of SEO. SEO is of two types. First one, on-page SEO. The second one, off-page SEO. On-page SEO means it is on the page, on the website, on the web page that we are creating. Okay. Now what happens is, when we are using on-page SEO, at that time we have to choose proper keywords, the title, the metadata, so that it will help the search engine to know what the page is about, what the contents of this page are. So looking at the contents, the search engine can decide that should this website be displayed or not. So I'll give you one example here. Now there is a one keyword. Let's take the keyword is wedding photography. Wedding photography is used in search engine 40% of the times. Okay, so when people are searching, they are typing in the search wedding photography 40% of the times. And there is another similar keyword. The similar keyword is pre-wedding photo shoots. This is typed more often. That is, let's take the percentage is 60%. So when a person is creating a website, in their website, they should include keywords like pre-wedding photo shoot. So if they are going to include keywords which are used more often, their websites will be accessed more often. Then the ranking of the website is going to increase and they will be listed somewhere in the first pages. Okay, so it is very important to have good keywords. You have to choose the keywords which are being used more often. It includes provision of good content. Now by good content we mean even though the website is listed in the first few pages and the content of the website is not good, after accessing the website a person does not like that website, then it is no point. Next the person is not going to visit that website. So the content should be really good. Content is really important when you are building the website. Second point, good keyword selection. The keywords must be chosen so that more and more people will get your website in the search results. Putting keywords on correct places. Now when these keywords are put, these keywords must be put in titles or they can be put in H1 tag, because when a search engine is looking at the website, they are going to look at the title, meta tag, and they are going to look at the H1 tag. So these are the good places to use the keywords. Giving appropriate title to every page. Now when you are searching on Google, you must have seen listing. So that blue color link that you are seeing, that is nothing but the title of the page. So your title must be appropriate so that you can get the listing. Also, after the blue thing, you can see that gray color text. That is nothing but the description which is given in the meta tag. So these two things, the title and the description in the meta tag is very important for on-page SEO. Right? Okay, so alright, so this is about your on-page SEO, which is more related to the content part. The second type is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO means there is nothing present on the web page. Okay? There is nothing present on the web page, but there are different ways in which the website can rank higher in order. For that, we can use link building. Now, what do we mean by link building? Link building is some trusted sites. If there are some trusted sites and they are giving your link, the link of the website which I have created, then Google will think that this website is also trusted, and this is how your website can rank higher in order. Let us understand this in an example. There is a very famous blogger, and that blogger happens to be my friend. So I asked that blogger to put the name of my website in their blogs, in their blog pages, or include my website name in their websites. So in this way, the people who are visiting that website of the blogger will also be visiting my website indirectly. Okay, so this is what we call as link building. If I give my link to 10 such people, then Google will think that my website is also very good, and then we should use it more often. So this is what it means by link building. Increasing link popularity by submitting open directories. So this is your just dial pages or your yellow pages that we have. If I am going to put my page on just dial, or I am going to put it on yellow pages, then it is going to direct them to my particular website. Again, we are putting the link in another website. Then search engines. If we are putting some kind of ads on the search engines, it is again going to direct them. The last one, link exchanges. Link exchanges means when there are two people and they say, you put my link, I put your link. So this is link exchanges, when the people are exchanging the link. So this is the second type of SEO, off-page SEO, where it is not related to the content, it is related to putting the links in different websites. Okay, so let us see this in a diagrammatic form. So SEO, here we have SEO of two types, on page, off page. On page means concerned with information that is displayed to the end user, such as text, images, and website navigation. Okay, so the content is very important when we are talking about on page SEO. Off page SEO is concerned with website relation, that is two websites, they build a relation with together. Do other websites refer you? Do you refer others websites? So are there any other references to your website? Is any website, any trusted website referring your website? So this is very important. If somebody says that, if someone trusted person says that this website is good, then obviously you are going to visit that website and you are going to check what is present there. Next, how good is your network? How good is your network? How many people you know? How many friends are going to refer to you? How many people are going to help you with increasing the rank of the website? Okay, so these are the two different types of SEO. I hope you have understood the concept of SEO and different types. Alright, thank you.